Hey guys, and welcome back on the YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create a facial detection script with Python. In this video, I've actually changed my recording software just for this video. So you're gonna be like the one I was using before. So you are gonna be hearing some loud mouse clicks. Because if I use OBS for this, the script won't work. Because when you are doing such a kind of a thing like facial detection with Python, there should be only one app that can access your face cam like phone. So that's why I had to actually change my screen recorder, or else I won't be actually able to run the script forward. So literally in just 24 lines of code I have done this. So we are going to be using Cascades. So let me actually show you how it works. So I had gone ahead and just created this. It's not something too complicated by any means. You guys can also do it by yourselves at your house, and it's actually very good, and it's also it's pretty quick and awesome. So let me actually run the code. So just a second. I feel like something's wrong with my computer. So you can see it's detecting my face. Actually, let me just a second, guys. Let me stop the code and let me just go and put up like my white background. So I will be like that. Now we are gonna be using our Cascades to do this. So our Cascades are basically just huge XML files which allow you to perform like all of this kind of things which you want to do, like facial detection and other things like that. So I have run the file, and you can see it's detecting my face. And as I also place some things in my background over here, and you can see it's not detecting that, and it's only detecting my face. Even if I move my face, it will only detect my face. And you can see I've placed some boxes in my background, so to like show that it's not just a thing that detects like a square or like that. It detects everything. So like only the face. So this is done through how Cascade was installed. So even if I have a box over there, it's not showing that line, that kind of so this box. So this is very useful, and it's pretty precise. So it takes a second to resize, and you can see it's very good. So yeah. So I just terminated the process because we are going to be doing it. So yeah. So first of all, you need to download a Cascade. Now Cascades are available on GitHub. They are like hundreds and thousands of lines of XML that allow you to do this. So I will link it down below in the description. You guys can check it out and download this. So for now, I'm just gonna get rid of these code that I've written, and I'm just gonna write it from scratch. So first of all, I need to install some modules. I need to install OpenCV to actually do this. So I'm just gonna go pip install OpenCV-Python, and you also need to go pip install numpy. Now the cool thing with OpenCV and this specific tutorial is you can actually link it up with some neural network that classifies whether you're happy or sad or your emotions, and it then and in real time. So this is like just a quick idea, but this is just a little project that I wanted to show. So once you do that, let's actually get our inputs in. So I'm going to go ahead and import numpy as np, and I'm just going to go to the next line and import cv2. So that stands for OpenCV Python. Now you need to download the face Cascade. I will have a link in the description, but if I don't have, remind me, I will put it in, so just remind me. So I'll just type out face underscore Cascade is equals to cv2 dot cas not like that, Cascade classifier. So what Cascade classifier stands for is, it stands for like, if you want to use any of those like Cascade files, you need to type this thing out called Cascade classifier. And I just named it as ml.xml because I was going to integrate it with some ml, so that's why. But for you, it should probably be a very long name. I just like to resize it because it's otherwise it's just very long. So now I just about cap is equals to cv2 dot video capture, and inside we put a 0. Now listen to this pretty carefully. Now since I'm on a laptop and I have not plugged in any other external webcam, I am typing a 0 in here. Now let's just say you are on a laptop or a computer and you do not have like a default webcam. So if something like that is there, then you cannot put a 0 in here. You need to put a 1. So it's like that. So it depends on the webcam you have. So just check it out on the on YouTube. There are a lot of videos. But as I do not have any webcam, I can't just show it to you. So that's all. So now I just type out while 1. I type out ret comma img is equals to cap dot read dot, and inside what I can like this will like so the red and the image. So the image will be like the how do I let me like simplify it. So it's gonna be like every frame of the image, and the red is going to just be like the rectangle, square kind of thing that we are drawing, and we like read it. So now we need to define gray is equals to cv2 dot convert color, so cvt color, and we need to convert it to like a grayscale like the img. Now for us, we will not view it as a grayscale, but for the computer it's going to be a grayscale. So I will just type out color underscore bgr2 gray. So now say if you are familiar with Pygame, we use RGB values, but over here we use BGR values, so it's kind of like inverse. Now we just make a faces variable is equals to, not like this, it's not going to be a constant, it's just going to be a variable is equal to face underscore cascade dot detect multi-scale. We want to detect the gray and we want to detect it at a 1.3,5. So this is just these are just some numbers that you need to pass in whenever you want to do anything like that. You need to put in these numbers. So now we just have a for loop for x comma y comma width comma height in faces. We want to like draw that rectangle kind of thing. So cv2 dot rectangle, you want to draw a rectangle, and it's going to be on the image and at the x and the y coordinates. And now what we do is just about x plus w comma y plus h, and we have to give it a color. So I'm just going to be giving it a color of blue, but I will show you how you can also change the color and a thickness of 2. Then I'm just typing out Roy underscore gray is equals to gray. This is just some processing that we are doing. So y colon y plus h and x colon x plus w, and Roy color is equals to img and y colon y plus h and x colon x plus w. And now we want to show the thing like the video kind of thing. So we just type out cv2.imshow and we just type out image comma image. Actually not. Just image. Now what we do is equal to k is equal to cv2 dot weight key 30, and we put this ampersand 0 xff. So this just specifies how we want to break out of the loop. So if k is equal to 27, I just wanna release. We just want to do cv2 dot destroy all windows, and that's literally the entire facial detection, whatever you want to say, code. Yeah, it's super duper small. Like, it just took us 11 minutes, and there is some math involved in this, but you know, it's pretty good. So I'm just gonna test it out. Just a second, let me just set this. So alright, so now we are gonna be testing the facial detection kind of thing that we have made. It's obviously not going to be that really good. I don't think it can also detect multiple faces, but you know, you guys can try it. So let me actually now run the file, see if it even works or not. Let's see. So you can see my webcam just got activated, like I can look at it. Alright, so you can see I'm going to screen my camera a bit, and my face is going to get detected. If I just step out of the camera, you can see nothing's getting detected. As soon as I come in the frame, my face gets detected, and even if I put my head outside of the frame, you can see it detects my face. So this is the entire kind of facial detection that I wanted to make. And you can see it says image over here in the window. You can change it. Now, like, you can call it like facial detection, and you can also change these colors. You can make this like cryptic or like blue. Alright, so you can see it's now a bit thicker, and it now says special facial detection. But I don't like 4, it's just 2. You can also change the color, so BG. So I can make this G if I want. So do that. Now it's green color. I feel like green looks good. So that's it for this video. It's like pretty cool that what you can do with Python is pretty powerful. And if you can like use OpenCV, you can use it in multiple ways, and it's very, very powerful. So hope you enjoyed this video. It's pretty simple to do. So you can just download the Cascade also. And so if you want any more OpenCV integrated with ML tutorials, comment down below. It's a bit difficult, but I myself am trying to figure out how I can do this, but I will do it eventually. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel, and until the next time we meet, bye bye.